So when we want to schedule a meeting, we can either go into the Teams web app or the Teams desktop app and go to the calendar and then create a new meeting. When you go into the calendar, you'll see a new meeting option. You'll click on that and then you'll start inviting the pupils or parents to the meeting. You can use any email for that, and they don't need to have an Office 365 account to join a live meeting. Okay, so that's how it looks from the Teams user interface. And if we're more used to using Outlook to create our meetings, we can also schedule a live lesson using Outlook. We'll click the Teams meeting option. And importantly, when we set these meetings, we want to have a look at the meeting options in advance of the meeting starting. So under my meeting options here, I've got a couple of things, and if I click on meeting options, it'll open a web page, and I can see who's going to bypass the lobby. Now, people in my organization, that means people with their own Office 365 accounts will bypass the lobby. But all your guests, i.e. those parent accounts, those pupil accounts that are from not from your own Office 365 tenancy, then they can be held in a lobby. Now that's quite useful because it means the meeting doesn't start until you, as the organizer, admit those pupils or parents to the meeting. And the other thing to bear in mind is you can make sure it's only you who's allowed to present in those meetings, because otherwise you may find that the children or the parents are trying to share their own screens, and that's not really what you want to happen in a live lesson. So these settings are quite important to get set up correctly in advance of starting the live lesson. And if you're in the Teams user interface, you also have those meeting options there. And again, it's exactly the same. You go to the same kind of web page and you set up that nobody else is bypassing the lobby apart from your own people in your own organization, and it's only you who's presenting the material. And then you get this lobby area and you admit people as they join your live meeting.